हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन ट्रिपल इंटीग्रेशन इन सिलिंड्रिकल कोऑर्डिनेट। So in that last video we have seen triple integration in Cartesian coordinate, spherical polar coordinate. Now we have the cylindrical polar coordinate. If you take any point in that cylindrical coordinate, so the coordinate will be r, theta and z. R is the same distance from the origin to the point, theta is the angle from the positive x-axis, and z is the same coordinate from the Cartesian. So the transformation equation between Cartesian and cylindrical coordinate x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, z equal to z. So this is the transformation, and r square equal to x square plus y square. Now if you have any triple integration in the Cartesian coordinate like f x y z dx dy dz, so how to convert this? So what we do, in the place of x we'll have r cos theta, in the place of y we have r sin theta, in the place of z we have z only, and this dx dy dz, this will converted using Jacobian. So dx dy dz will be j into dr d theta dz. So here Jacobian is the r, for this coordinate system. So this will convert triple integration f x equal to r cos theta, x equal to r sin theta, comma z, and in the place of dx dy dz we can have r dr d theta dz, and here we'll have the r limit, here we'll have theta limit, here we'll have the z limit. So this limit we'll find out based on the problem. So this is your transformation from the Cartesian to cylindrical coordinate. Let us try to solve one problem. Problem is given: use a triple integration in cylindrical coordinate to determine the volume V of the solid bounded by z equal to 0 and z equal to 9 minus x square plus y square. So z equal to 0 to z equal to 9 minus x square plus y square. So now, so volume V, so V we can have dx dy dz. So in the place of dx dy dz we can have r dz dr d theta. Now your z limit will be 0 to 9 minus x square plus y square. So your z limit should be in function of r and theta. So here 0, here we can have 9 minus r square, fine, 9 minus r square, and r limit will be the distance from the origin. So in the xy plane z equal to 0, so we have x square plus y square equal to 9, so r square equal to 9, so r equal to 3, so 0 to 3, fine, and theta limit is the full circle, so 0 to 2 pi. So this is the your limit part. Now if you integrate, so we get 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 3, and dz, so z, so that is the r 9 minus r square dr and d theta. So now 0 to 2 pi, and now this is the integration. So 9r, so 9r square by 2 minus r cube means r power 4 by 4, 0 to t d theta. So if you simplify, so we get 81 by 4 into 0 to 2 pi d theta. So 81 by 4 into 2 pi. So we get answer 81 by 2 pi. So the next question we have, use a triple integration in cylindrical coordinate to determine the volume of the solid bounded by z equal to 4 minus x square plus y square and x square plus y square equal to 1 and z equal to 0. So we can have triple integration r dz dr d theta. So r limit will be, your r limit will be z equal to 0, first z limit, so z equal to 0 to z equal to 4 minus r, 4 minus under x square plus y square, so r square, so 4 minus r, and r limit will be, we'll take from here, so 0 to 1, and theta limit will be 0 to 2 pi. So now if we integrate, so we get 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 1, and r 4 minus r dr d theta, so 0 to 2 pi, so 4 r square by 2 minus r cube by 3, limit 0 to 1 d theta. So if you simplify, so we get 2 pi into 2 minus 1 by 3, so 10 pi by 3. So answer is 10 pi by 3. If you like my video, please like and share, subscribe. Thank you.